Here we have a key to a Jeep Wrangler, and just a regular kind of key with the remote attached to it. So the way you open this one is there's a little slot here, which I've already taken a key and pried it. Um, so there's a slot right on the top right corner here. And if you don't want it to get all chewed up like this one is, use a flathead screwdriver that's fairly thick, or a dime that you can fit in there. So once you open that, this will pop open. Then it will reveal the battery. And then you'll also use the key. The key makes it easiest to get out, but you can get the key out this way as well if you have nails, which I don't, but so there we go. Got the battery out. It is a 2032. So then you'll just put it back in this spot, make sure it faces down. Or I should say faces up, I guess. And then you'll just pop that back on there. Just pinch it shut. And as you can see, this did get a little chewed up, but it was already kind of messed up like that. But there's a little slot there. You can either stick the other key or another key you have into there and just twist it, and it pops off pretty easily. So that's how you replace your battery in a Jeep Wrangler key. Thank you for watching.